Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a list template on ClickUp. So once you first log in onto ClickUp, you'll see that you're on this UI such as this. Now you want just to go to here on Team Spaces, and you want to go to a project where you can make a list. So you can do this. You can click on the plus icon here to create a list, and you just have to click on this list, right? Now you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to name this list template because we're making this list a template. And you can make this private if you want. So when it's private, your list can only be accessed by you and only by people who you invited. So it's kind of like a YouTube private video. Think of it like that. Now just click on this to create. Now you have a list to do here, right? I'm going to add a couple of tasks here just so you know it works. This, and then I'm going to create, and I'm going to add another task. Works. I'm going to do something like that, right? This works. After that, once you've done everything you want in this list, you just have to hover over the list template here, and you want to click on the three dots here on list settings, right? Just click on it. Now, once you click on it, you want to hover over templates here, click on it, and then you'll see right now that this is the default task template. So when you create a new list, they automatically choose the default task template here. And the default task template, it's nothing, it's just an empty list, right? From here, you just want to click on this, Save as Template. And name this template whatever you want. This works template, I'm going to do that. You can add a description as well if you'd want. I'm going to call this, this is a description for a template that works, for example. And you can share this with certain people, or you can share this with everyone. You can share this with only me. You can do it everyone, and you can only do admins, or you can select the people manually, which is kind of like private, but on templates. Now let's just do all members, right? And then you can also turn on public sharing if you'd like. But it's not, so I'm just gonna turn that off. You can also do import everything, or you can customize the import items if you'd like. So there's a lot of different options you can do here. I'm just going to say import everything, and I'm going to click on save template. After that, you'll see that there is a notification bar here. Your template is being created, and your list template work has been created as well. Now, how do I use this template? Of course, I'll show you that. I'm going to do another list as well, and I'm going to click on list. And instead of naming this, I'm going to click on this, use template. Click on use template. And there's a lot of other templates by ClickUp as well. But as you can see here, there is a template made by me. And this is the one we made earlier. This works. And there is the descriptions here, and there's a template description. You can also add images if you'd want. But as you can see, let's just click on use template. And the list name will be called this works, the template, something like that. And you can also have some additional options here, like no or include archive task, include an archive type, all of this other stuff. I'm just going to do use template. And then after that, as you can see, give it a second. And as you can see here, a new list has been created with the task made already.